Miss 2 weeks old.
Ay, paano to?
Because the bird already flies.
Yung
Then under, as he ran over the bird, he saw then he said that the children said, Lolo, why you are following the bird? The Lolo said, that bird is mine. I got it in the farm. I want to use it, but then it doesn't fly. So the two children said that, can we help you, Lolo, on catching the bird? Oh, if you want, yes, you can. What's the reward, Lolo? Reward? Okay.
Okay.
You can catch the bird. So the two children was really excited to catch the bird. So the old man sitting in the trunk of the dry trunk of the tree. So
Kuryo na.
the two children come over the bird and catch the bird.
Hindi ko kakuha kay dito.
One of the children catch the bird. Then as the other one catch the bird.
Ayun na lang kami kita ng sir.
His partner
What day?
wants to get the bird, but the other one won't give it to him. So the younger boy give the rope to tie the bird. So after knowing that if anyone can catch the bird, will have the reward. The older one brought it to the old man. So nasusuwag katong younger man. So he said, give me the rope. Yan gikuha ang rope sa ikapot sa langgam. So gidala the older child bring the bird to the old man. So but he is already the old man. The old man didn't take the bird because the bird was already dead, because as the younger one picked the rope, napoy pa ng tail dala sa langgam, napoy pa dala sa rope na yung baas. Mga wala graduan nakadawat sa reward. Kaya namatay naman ang langgam. Kapag ibot niya sa rope na iba sa tail, napoy naman ang tail.
Tapos na day.
Tayo.